We approached the port of Coron, Palawan from Manila late in the afternoon via sea travel with to go. Before we got off, we visited MV St. Augustine of Hippo's Bridge. Before anything else, we checked into Cebuana Travelers Inn. This is one of the newest and most affordable accommodation in Coron, Palawan. You can stay here for as low as 500 pesos per night in an air-conditioned room with private bathroom and free breakfast. Since it's too late to go for an island hopping tour, we then decided to go on a DIY town tour. Pero syempre, we dropped by JY Travel and Tours muna to book our tours in the coming days. Our first stop, Mount Tapias. It is best to visit Mount Tapias during sunset. It takes 720 steps to get to the top. Make sure that you'll have a bottle of water with you and you'll wear comfortable clothes and footwears on your visit. After that, we took a tricycle to Makinit Hot Spring. The entrance fee at Makinit Hot Spring as of April 2023 is at 250 pesos per head. What makes Makinit Hot Spring special and worth visiting is that it's one of the few saltwater hot springs in the world and it is the best way to end a tiring day. After a relaxing dip at Makinit, we headed back to the town and had a sumptuous dinner at Carl's Barbecue. That's how our first day in Coron, Palawan went. Like and save for part 2.